sorry guys. So we are here again, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to uh, be focused and not to get distractions during the process. I'm going to take uh, the help of my experience, what I have experienced and what I concluded from my experience, and it is really going to help me as well as you. So in this video, the experience will make our path forward. Hmm? See, so very less time is remaining, not less, suitable, and sufficient time is remaining hmm, to one second. Yeah. Okay. So suitable time is remaining, and really, we are going to have very big experience or big moment. Experience is not going to be that much because the exams I'm talking about, because we are going to have give the examination, and we are continuously we have been giving the examination for 12 years straight. So there is nothing new, but it's all about the thing, how much you know, how you are going to answer, and this is not a big issue for me. This is really not a big issue to you know give an examination, because literally I don't have any aspiration regarding that. I don't want to top in the examination. I don't want 100 percentile. I know I have a good knowledge, but the factual things I have to remember. Okay. I need to practice writing so that I can stick to the time frame, and writing also, the way I write, I have to change that also. What is most important is that we need to be consistent. For consistency, we need to first of all to do not get distracted. We need to kill all our possibilities to be distracted. So the biggest nuisance, the biggest obstacle, the biggest thing which can prevent us to be consistent is that this your phone, that you in which you are watching this video, the phone which is in your hands, the phone put which has put in front of you, the phone in front of which I am speaking, this phone, you have to have concrete strong strong willpower to resist. See, you would agree with me that anything that you aspire, you cannot do that, and you are not supposed to do that. Suppose uh, you want to purchase a thing, and it is worth very costly, it is very expensive. So first of all, you won't have you don't have suppose you then don't have money at that particular point. So you will be resisting, you will resist yourself, you will convince yourself to not to get not to get that thing. So this much resistance is needed. You have to make your willpower this much strong that after you know having something in excess, after having an access to something, you would be able to resist yourself to do that thing. That suppose you have ample amount of data in your phone and you want to scroll on the YouTube, and you can do it if you decide, but and you can do it. There's nothing, there's no obstacle about it, but that one thing will be your at this time the willpower will be coming in the front, because that is the only way uh, you can enhance your consistency, you can enhance your writing skills, you can enhance everything. So what is needed is that a strong concrete willpower, because then only you will be able to be on tracks. What you need is to not get distracted. Your phone is a biggest distraction, you know. So but we go to the phone, we don't go to the phone directly, but we fool ourselves, we try to trick ourselves, and sometimes we don't even know. Sometimes we just genuinely go to the internet to search some of the important things, some of the important topics to understand some of the important things to learn, but eventually we find ourselves surfing on YouTube shorts, watching them and enjoying. And we don't sometimes we don't get the thing, yeah, how I have come this far. So that is the testament that sometimes we trick ourselves subconsciously or in a way that we don't understand ourselves. So first of all, before going to the phone, you must be very specific that why you are going, and if it is not important, just don't go. Just don't go. And if it is important, come to the internet, come to your phone for that particular thing. That suppose you want to know the meaning of some word, just be specific. Yeah, I'll go to the phone, I'll use this phone, search this word, get this meaning, and that is done. Okay, so that is needed, that is the need of the hour. And this is not the time to be fearful, this is not the time to be afraid of something. It is a time to be strong. It is the time to be internally strong. Literally, you have there are no rules, but there is only one rule. The rules that you make for yourself are the foremost, are the utmost, are the heavenly important. Hmm? Suppose you have made a rule that I will not go to the phone, and just do it. Just do it. Not go to the phone. Why? No, 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 no. This should not be your aim. You should be like, I will complete this topic. I will complete this topic. Okay. And suppose that you want to go to the phone, just be specific. Yeah, I will go to the phone, watch this episode or this movie or this cartoon video, and just come back. I know it will be very difficult for you to come back. And if you think that mobile phone is going to uh, ruin your time, then I would suggest you to do something, to have something in the alternative, to have something which is more going to help you. See, no, there is no need of breaks, but breaks makes your work efficient. Hmm? The concentration of focus will be more if you take breaks. You take breaks every hours, 15 minutes break, it's okay, good. It's okay, be scientific, be, kind of calculative, be this much good in calculations. Breaks are necessary. If you don't want to use phone because you consider it cheap, go to the gym, go to some place, okay? But never use the phone uh, when you don't have any purpose. Suppose you want some entertainment, okay, I'm just go to the phone and will entertain myself. No, this is not a good way, because this is the hell amount of, this is a shopping mall where you can access anything to kind of any much. Then why are you taking yourself? You know better. You know better. Literally, you must know better about it. Because if you go, this will be, if you go to this path without any specific thing to accomplish, you will lost yourself. Because it is like a bhool bhulaiya. You will lost yourself, and you are going to lost yourself. If you are using phone, this is the testament that yes, you are somewhat immature, because phone is not a thing to get entertained, to be entertained. You understand? Mobile is just a virtual fake word, and it is a fake word. Literally, the things that you find good, the feelings that you get from this phone, it is really fake, yeah. Only 10% it is important, and only 2% is a hell amount of important, like emails. Only 2% of the use of phone is important, your emails. But just because of this 2%, by giving the excuse of this 2%, you waste 98% of your time entertaining yourself. This is not entertainment, this is becoming your habit. You go to a channel, you just watch cartoon videos, your YouTubers videos. From one video to another, we jump into the another video, and from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and eventually it becomes 50, 70. Then what is this? You must understand, this is rubbish. This is rubbish. This is not entertaining you. This is just wasting your time. This is just making you fragile. Your willpower is getting fragile. Be specific about what you do. Be clear about it. That is this uh, quality is going to help you whole life. Be specific of what you do. Literally. Hmm. Be very specific of what you do. Suppose you are going somewhere, but there must be a reason. Yeah, that I'll go there, I'll get this thing done, I'll come back. That should be the same, yeah. If you're going outside, you should know the purpose. That okay, I'm going outside, I'll walk this much, I'll walk here and there, and we'll come back. And come back and continue my studies, my main material to do. Because this is the only way you can make yourself on tracks. And it is not about years and months, it is about a day. Because if you will be able to, if you will become capable of making yourself being on tracks for each day, suppose 7 hours, you study 7 hours, तो यू मस्ट बी हैव दिस पॉसिबिलिटी, यू मस्ट कैपेबल ऑफ दिस थिंग कि यार मैं 7 घंटे तो ट्रैक पे रहूँगा, जिस ये वाले ट्रैक पे 7 घंटे डेली रहो, उसके बाद देख लो। लेकिन 7 घंटे डेली रहो, उसके बाद देख लो कि कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ खेलना है, क्या करना है। मैं बताता हूँ एक चीज़ आपको, अगर आपको सालों पढ़ना है, महीनों पढ़ना है, या लिटरली आपको कोर से पढ़ना है ढंग से, तो दिन का एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम करो कि यार इतना घंटा मुझे पढ़ना है, दैट्स इट। और उसमें प्ले होना चाहिए, ब्रेक होना चाहिए। हर दिन एक लाइफ होता है। आप सोच रहे हो ना कि यार ये फेज़ पढ़ाई का है, वैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि यार 20-25 तक ऐसी पढ़ाई कर लेनी चाहिए कि भाई कहीं पे सेटल हो जाए, ठीक है, स्किल्स वाली। बाकी पढ़ाई तो ज़िंदगी भर चलती है ना, वो पढ़ाई तो ज़िंदगी भर चलती है, अच्छी लगती है। लेकिन ऐसी स्पेसिफिक वाली जो करिकुलम वाली एकेडमिक वाली होती है, ये कर लो, ये फेज़ है लाइफ का, ठीक है। कि भाई बचपन का फेज़ याद है तो एक दिन को भी एक लाइफ की तरह दिया करो कि यार ये वाला फेज़ मेरे खेलने का है, ये वाला फेज़ मेरा थोड़ा पढ़ने का है, ये वाला फेज़ मेरा थोड़ा अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का है, इस तरह से, ठीक है। क्योंकि अगर आपको लंबा जाना है तो यही चीज़ आपके काम आएगी। आपको शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस जाना है तो आप ठीक है पढ़ लो 12-12, 13-13, 14-14, 24 घंटे। लेकिन लंबे समय के लिए दिस स्ट्रैटेजी वोंट हेल्प यू, लिटरली आई एम सेइंग, ठीक है। बिकॉज स्मॉल स्टेप, आप दिन के 7 घंटे तो पढ़ लो, मगर आप सोचो आप अपने 1 महीना पढ़ लिया भैया, 1 महीना पूरे 24-24 घंटे, लेकिन आप 2 साल पढ़ लिए 7 घंटे, तो दैट वुड बी मोर देन दैट, ठीक है। फिर आज के लिए काफ़ी है था, बाकी के वीडियो कल करते हैं। चलो, ओके।